How to free up space on your iPhone in seconds. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can free up space on your iPhone in few seconds. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's dive right in. So first step is let's check what is using our storage the most. So open up your settings. Let me go back here. There we go. So this is the initial page. Go to general after you're here. After you're on your general, go to iPhone storage. After you're on your iPhone storage, you should see, you can take it, let it take its time, see what is consuming most of your space. So after you've done that, what you can then do is check for the apps that you don't want. So check for apps which are taking up a lot of your space. So let's say that I want to delete this app. I'll just delete it completely. And deleting the app will save up some space for you. So what you can do after you here is there are other things that you can do as well. You can remove cache and you can also, you can remove cache from different apps. So what you can do is just go to an app that you want, tap on offload app, and then offload it completely. Doing that, all the unnecessary documents and datas and caches will get removed, and that should free up some storage for you as well. After that, what you can also do is you can head over to your app store, then tap on your icon on the top right. After you're on here, you can head over to personalized recommendations. After you go to personalized recommendations, you can see uses of apps, so you can clear out your app uses. So after you clear the app uses data stored on this device, it will instantly clear out some space for you as well. And yeah, that's how you can free up some space on your iPhone in few seconds. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.